Proximity in relationship refers to physical or emotional closeness. It encompasses or types of proximity. 1. Physical proximity, geographic closeness, living or working together. Number 2, emotional proximity of feeling connected, understood, and valued. Number 3, intellectual proximity, sharing ideas, interests, and perspectives. Number 4, spiritual proximity, shared beliefs, values, and spiritual practices. Importance of proximity. Number 1, increased communication fosters openness and understanding. Number 2, deeper connection, build trust, intimacy, and empathy. Number 3, support system, encourage mutual support and reliability. Number 4, conflict resolution, easier to address and resolve issues. Number 5, shared experiences, creates common memories and bonding. Challenges of proximity. Number 1, over-dependence, losing individuality. Number 2, conflict escalation. Close quarters can intensify disagreements. Number 3, lack of personal space, feeling suffocated or overwhelmed. Number 4, complacency, assuming closeness replaces effort. Maintaining healthy proximity. Number 1, respect boundaries, prioritize personal space. Number 2, communicate effectively, active listening and expression. Number 3, foster independence, encourage individual growth. Number 4, schedule quality time, regularly connect and engage. Proximity strengthens relationships but requires